Abolish. To abrogate, annul, cancel, eliminate, put an end to, recall, repeal, or revoke, especially things of a seemingly permanent nature, such as customs, institutions, and usages. Abolition. 1. The act of abolishing. 2. The legal abolition and prohibition of slavery. 3. The abolition of slavery in the United States by the 13th Amendment to the United States Constitution. Absent without leave. The act of being away from one's military duties or post without permission but with no intent of deserting. Absentee. A person who is not where he or she would normally be found, such as a place of residence or work. Absentee landlord. A landlord who resides so far from the leased real property that his is not, or is not expected to be, readily available to personally address any problems concerning the property. Abstract of judgment. A copy or summary of a court's judgment. When it is filed with the appropriate authorities, a lien is created on the judgment debtor's non-exempt property in favor of the judgment creditor. Abstract of record. A summary of the record of a case advising an appellate court of the underlying facts, all the steps taken to date in the case, the decision of the trial court, and the legal issues to be decided. Abstract of title. A short history or summary of the ownership of a parcel of land. The abstract includes a list of all conveyances, transfers, and other evidence of title, all grants, conveyances, wills, records, and judicial proceedings that may affect title, and a list of encumbrances and liens of record on the land, along with a statement whether the encumbrances and liens still exist. A company whose business is to obtain such information from public records usually does such an abstract for the mortgagee or buyer of real property in connection with a proposed sale of land. Abstraction. 1. The act of separating, taking away, or withdrawing. 2. The act of taking with the intent to injure or defraud. 3. The unauthorized taking of financial statements or funds with the intent of misappropriating them.